what got me into salsa dancing? Why did I decide to take lessons? Was I born a natural dancer? Was I good right from the beginning? Hey guys, what's going on? Hervin here, back with blog number 2. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my training and give you guys some updates about what's going on. Today is Monday, so I have my spinning practice. That's what I do every Monday and Wednesday for about 10 minutes to half an hour. I do a spinning practice that consists of exercises that I learned from my instructor, Frankie Martinez. And those exercises, I wasn't a natural dancer. I didn't take any lessons. I didn't know how to spin when I first started dancing. These exercises have helped me completely. I'm able to do 4 spins, no problem. Sometimes even getting up to 5 or 6 if the floor is really slippery. I have a video explaining my routine. I can put the links to the video down below. Then I also come up with these moves, and then I teach them to myself, and then I try to replicate them and do them over and over and over again. I don't have anybody giving me feedback. It's just however I feel like I need to improve or whatever I need to be working on, I do that. Then I also practice my routine. I'm not going to show you that video just yet, guys. I want to wait till it gets down closer to the date of the performance, to the date of the competition, where I'm going to show you the routine that I'm going to be performing. It's called the World Salsa Summit. And the last thing I want to leave you with is a story of how I started dancing salsa when I first started. Like, what got me into salsa dancing? Why did I decide to take lessons? Was I born a natural dancer? Was I good right from the beginning? I want to tell you the stories because I'm now a dance instructor. I've taught over 3,000 people. And would you have told me that 10 years ago, I wouldn't have believed that I would have made it this far, or that I even would have wanted to make it this far. When I first started, salsa was just about having fun and trying something new. Let me get there. Let me tell you guys about how I started. What was my personal journey coming into salsa? Why did I do it, and why did I start? I'm Latin. I'm from Venezuela. I was just so shy. I wouldn't even imagine getting close near the dance floor growing up. What got me into it was the fact that I was so shy. 18 years old. I felt that it was gonna push me out of my comfort zone and help me grow out of my shell. It had occurred to me to do it, and I went and I asked my dad, "Hey dad, I would love to learn how to dance, but I don't want you to teach me because I'm too shy. I don't know how to dance. I don't want you to see that I have 2 left feet. I have no rhythm. So I don't want you to teach me." And he said, "There's a dance studio just right around the corner from here, and I have seen that they teach really good. So I want you to go over there and check it out and let me know what you think." From the moment he told me that, a month passed before I finally had the courage to come in and step out and try a class. It was scary in my head. I thought, what if they make fun of me? What if I have 3 left feet? What if I make a fool out of myself? What if the instructors judge me? I was terrified. I thought about it for a month, and then I finally decided to go to the dance studio, thinking to myself, the only way I was able to comfort myself was to say, nobody knows me there. It's a room full of strangers. If I do really terrible, then nobody's even gonna know me. I'll never be back. I finally show up, and it was crazy, because there was only beginners and everybody looked pretty ordinary. Nobody was amazing except for the teacher. It didn't seem as terrifying as I had made it out to be in my head. And then I joined the class. I had a really good teacher who was able to break down the steps really simple, and it was easy. It wasn't so hard. I mean, it wasn't the easiest thing in the world, but at least I made it through the class. And in my head, I'm thinking, hey, I didn't step on anybody's feet. I survived. I had an awesome time that first class. It took me about a week to make it back again. I made it after a week, and then after that I was hooked. I kept on coming back 3 times a week, and I did that for about 9 months of taking classes 3 times a week, back to back, every week. So that's how I started. I didn't have a natural talent for it. I didn't grow up a dancer. I thought I had 2 left feet. Anyway, if you want to get started with dancing salsa and you're thinking about it, just do it. It's not a big deal at all. People are really welcoming. You'll find other beginners there who are willing to help you out. At the very beginning, you just got to find yourself the right teacher, because if you have a teacher who's good, who's able to explain things in detail, and who's able to simplify things so that anybody can understand it, then you'll be able to learn. The only thing you need is to have patience and be willing to dedicate time to it so that you could little by little progress. Okay? Signing off, guys. I hope you enjoyed this blog post that I'm doing. I'm keeping you guys updated every day. I trained half an hour today on my routine for the World Salsa Summit. I can't wait for it. I'll keep you guys updated. And if you enjoy this video, leave it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe here for more free salsa content. Until next time, bang!